Oh, what do we have here? Today we have cops discover babysitter being eaten alive in the backyard. What the This is some sinister shit. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
I'm falling at him. I don't know what to do.
What?
Watch that dog here. 3 of them. Back up, back up.
A sergeant is caught in a terrifying encounter as 3 dogs stand between first responders and the victim of their brutal attack. In the chaotic aftermath, the question becomes who the victim is and whether help came too late.
They were guarding her. Oh my God, dude.
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. After 4 p.m. on November 20th.
Did y'all hear what they just said? They were guarding her and eating her? Huh?
21st, 2025, dispatchers in Tyler, Texas receive a panicked call to 911.
Oh my God.
I showed up at my boyfriend's house to take the dogs out in the backyard, and I keep hearing the neighbor's dogs just screaming at the fence because our fence is kind of messed up. But now I'm looking through the hole, and they're literally, I think they're mauling at them. I think that's the neighbor. He's on the floor, and he's not talking back. I don't know if it's a girl or a guy, but my neighbor's a guy, so I'm guessing it's him, but they're like mauling at him. I don't know. Ma'am. But I'm too scared to go over there. Okay, oh my God. The hair is short. I'm guessing it's a man, but honestly, it looks like they have leggings on. I don't know. It's something a woman.
Do you still hear the dogs?
They're like, I don't know, like whining sometimes, and then it gets silent, and then
them dogs need to be put down ASAP.
and they're whining again.
All right. Well, do you hear your neighbor at all? Are they saying anything?
No, I mean I yell on them, but oh my God, I'm praying. I don't know. I hope that what I saw wasn't what I saw. Maybe.
Yeah, this is crazy. Imagine you getting 3 dogs, raising them from puppies, showing them love, feeding them, taking care of them, just for them to one day end your life. And you're not thinking that possibly these 3 dogs that you treat like your children are gonna end your life.
Big old toy, a big human-sized toy. I don't know.
All right. Well, the deputies and ambulance should be headed there shortly. Okay. Just call back on 911 if anything changes.
Okay. Do you know how long?
I don't have an ETA. They weren't that far, so they're getting there as quickly as they can.
Okay.
A sergeant with the Smith County Sheriff's Office arrives just behind the local fire department, and together they rush toward the sounds of barking coming from the backyard.
I think he's dead, man. Right here. Watch that dog here. 3 of them. Hey, shoot him.
But with the victim sprawled out beneath the dogs, firing his weapon is too much of a risk. Instead, the sergeant runs to a gate on the other side of the house and radios for backup.
22, what's your location?
You got to be careful with pit bulls, bro. I'm not gonna even lie to you. The pit bulls, they know how to open fences. They can open doors if you teach them. They can jump over them type of fences. And if them dogs just teamed up eating they owner, y'all are gonna be in some serious trouble, bro. It's no way. I would have shivers trying to answer this call. Like, what the fuck you mean? They're gnawing at him, huh?
22, where you at?
We need you.
Be there in about 2 minutes.
Knowing the victim may not have 2 minutes, he quickly decides to go in alone.
County, you copy SMS traffic?
10-4.
Oh my God, please be safe, bro. These dogs got a taste of blood and they want more.
Hey, let fire know I've got the gate open on the other side, but the dogs are mauling the body.
They're mauling it?
Hey, where are they at? Where are your people? They're on the fence. Oh, still the fence? Yeah.
But I would have had a shotgun for their ass. I ain't lying to you. I'm scared of some shit like that. Oh, baby, I got the shotgun for a pistol.
Back up, back up!
The dog charges the sergeant and he opens fire, striking him multiple times. When it fails to stop him, he fires once more, and the dog collapses against the pavement. The sergeant keeps his gun aimed at a second dog, who sniffs his fallen companion.
You about to meet him. You about to meet him. Come charging at him if you want to.
Dude, they were all eating on him. I know, but if we can get to them, we've got to get EMS care. Okay, get them there.
Look, he know what's up. Yeah.
That's 9 shots fired in the area of me. Hey, I've got an open door back here. They're good to pull him, yes.
What the fuck?
Back up. Don't do it.
Yeah, you got some sense.
I can't find the door.
And I'm sorry, but did they have kids around these dogs? I hope not, because this is some wild shit.
I'm working on it. Door's closed, yeah.
With one dog dead and the other 2 secured inside the house, backup finally arrives and joins the fire department as they work to pull the victim through to the other side of the broken fence.
Where's the victim at, though? I don't see him.
Don't pull the fence down. Don't pull it.
Okay.
There's still dogs.
Okay.
Caught in the board right here. There's nail caught in catching her clothes. Yeah. Come on, I got it. Yeah. Oh, nail. All right.
You got it. We're out.
We're good.
The victim, who appears to be a young woman, shows no sign of consciousness.
What?
Her body is severely mauled, with deep, gaping wounds on her arms and legs. While paramedics get to work, the deputy joins the sergeant in the backyard.
So that door was open. There's 2 other dogs inside. That
Was this even her dog, or was this the neighbor's dog?
one came after me when I opened the gate. The other one came running up to him, but took off inside.
Okay.
I do not know if there was anybody else in the house. I have no idea.
Given the 911 caller assumed the victim was the male owner of the dogs, the sergeant quickly locates her with an urgent question.
Hey, does he live alone?
I don't know these cars. I see a gray car, a silver car show up, and it's a guy and a wife and like a kid.
Okay.
That's all I've ever seen.
Okay. Does he live alone?
The guy here
Yes.
is the one that had all the dogs.
Him.
But that was a lady that lived there with a baby, and they got to fight over the dog before.
No, so that's the neighbor's dog. Is them dogs in there with the babies and the lady?
Is it about a dog?
Yeah.
I know it is. I know.
It's about 3 dogs.
I know.
3 pit bulls.
This one owned the dog, and their main dog.
Well, I'm very aware. They were mean dogs.
I heard them fighting about.
They weren't fighting. They were attacking
No,
somebody.
about a month ago.
Okay.
And the woman and the man having a confrontation.
Who owns the dogs over
Some
here?
lady has a baby that lives over
Where's
there.
she
I don't know if
at?
they're home.
Do you know what she
I
drives?
don't know anybody.
No. Y'all need to be going in that house, making sure that they ain't attacking no baby.
Do you know what she drives? The cars you've seen?
No.
Oh my God.
Scary, are they? Did it baby did it?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Fearing they may have just trapped the 2 remaining dogs inside with a helpless baby, the sergeant and deputy arm themselves with rifles and return to the house.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go find the baby.
Oh my God.
Locked.
Oh my God.
Good? Yep. We're gonna clear the house. There's a lady and a baby who's supposed to live here. Dog.
Unexpectedly, a voice calls out over the home security system.
Okay.
Woo, thank God.
Who's supposed to be taking care of your dogs? Who's your babysitter? Okay, where's the baby?
She's
Okay, so there's nobody here.
The sergeant instructs the couple to call the sheriff's office in the hopes they can confirm the victim's identity. In the meantime, he heads back to the neighbor's house to ease her concerns.
They're out of town. So them and the baby, everybody's out of town.
Oh, thank God. Thank you.
Thank
The
God.
person they hired to come take care of their dogs got mauled.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's
And we were not able to get to her before.
I understand, honey. It's hard. But see, I knew them dogs had been fighting.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. But it wasn't a little bitty dog.
No, they were
Oh, no.
not.
I ain't gonna lie to you. My grandmother, well, my nana, she used to have pit bulls. She used to have 6, 7 pit bulls running around, and them dogs stay fighting. You can't have a bunch of pit bulls living with each other. It's not gonna work. It's like having nothing but explosive dogs all around you. They're gonna attack each other. They're gonna attack other people. Nah, it's like a pack of wolves. Nah, you can't do no shit like that. It's no fucking way. Thank God that the baby was not inside but so, whoa.
Them are little bitty. There's one less of them now because it charged after me.
They had to. Well, honey, I don't blame you.
Meanwhile, the other deputy speaks with the 911 caller, who grapples with the emotional aftershock.
I couldn't tell what I could see. I was just freaking out.
Yeah. No, that's understandable.
And I was like, I hope I'm wrong, but I still called either way. But
No, you did good. You did the right thing.
I couldn't keep looking if it was.
Yeah.
And I'm a nurse, so I feel bad because I could have, I don't know, maybe I could have done something, but I was too scared to go.
Calling us was the only thing that you could have done. Otherwise, that would have been bad for you. So.
Right, that's why I was scared. I was like, I can't go there.
Yeah, so, calling us was the right thing.
Across the street, the sergeant learns more about the dog's history.
But I've heard dog fighting before. This ain't the first time.
And it's between this house and this house. And I wonder if they weren't going at each other. Do you know how many dogs they have? Because all these are like pit bulls.
Yeah, can you ask me this after I'm done?
I know I saw a pit bull out of the driveway one day.
Well,
then it's them. I'm so sorry, baby.
It happens.
Yeah.
The dog's owners, Wilbert and Addison, finally reach a deputy by phone, and the heartbreaking truth of the girl's identity is fully revealed.
Okay, where are you located at right now, sir?
We're currently in Oklahoma. We're on our way back, though.
Okay. Who is supposed to be here to care for the animals?
Her name is Madison Hole. She's just supposed to go over there every couple hours and just check on them, but we haven't been able to get in contact with her yet.
Madison Hole. She's supposed to take care of the dogs. Okay. About how old is she?
She's 23.
23.
Yeah, she went to college there, and she's going to college to be a teacher, so I'm not sure which college she goes to. Yeah, the dogs broke out probably about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I texted her, and we haven't received a response, but I think she's in class.
The couple would later explain they met the college student, 23-year-old Madison Riley Hall, after
What the fuck?
posting an ad for a babysitter on Facebook. Madison had been babysitting their 3 children, all under the age of 5 years old, for the last 2 months, and they recently asked her to look after their 3 dogs while they were out of town.
I ain't looking up the 3 of shit. There better be a Chihuahua, a big dog, and then 2 small dogs. What?
What the deputy doesn't reveal is that their description of Madison matches the victim, who is lying on the ground after a brutal attack carried out by the family's own beloved pets.
She alive? They're trying right now. They got the machine pressing her, doing the compressions, and they're gonna hit her with a couple of epis.
We haven't really evaluated her back. I mean, like right before y'all got here, we just got her drug out. She was face down.
Dog guarding her, man. Say what? They were guarding her. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
You think she had been back there for a while or something? Or?
I mean, not that old because she was still she wasn't cold and she was still able to move her,
Oh, okay.
And everything. That's why we're
Man, that is heartbreaking.
working her. But they all 3 had her right here. And just
Oh man. Pit bulls.
3.
Despite their best efforts, there's nothing the paramedics can do, as Madison's injuries are far too severe.
Damn.
She's pronounced deceased on the scene.
That has got to be such a horrible way to go out. That's got to be such a traumatic way to be going out, is to be sitting there and getting mauled by a group of dogs when you was just trying to make some extra money while you in college. This shit is heartbreaking. This shit is heartbreaking. And the one that came charging at that officer was probably the main aggressor. Wow.
And the sergeant calls in to his superiors with an update.
Wow.
Well, there is one less alive dog, and also, unfortunately, one less alive dog sitter. I don't know. I'm not willing to sit in the house and talk over a ring cam over some dogs that just ate somebody, so pretty sure I broke my foot, though. It's like I was running and hit a hole.
Wilbert and Addison later told investigators their 3 dogs, named Bodie, Lola, and Afghani, were not known to be aggressive, though Lola could be, quote,
every dog owner says that dumbass, and I hate when they say that. You know your dog up. You know your dog is not supposed to, man.
territorial.
Man,
Wilbert
that's
and
crazy.
Addison later told investigators their 3 dogs, named Bodie, Lola, and Afghani, were not known to be aggressive, though Lola could be, quote, territorial.
I think Lola's the one that got whacked. Yeah.
Addison shared that Madison would often watch the dogs and children at the same time, and on several occasions they would come home to find one or more of the dogs cuddling with Madison on the couch.
Now, it looked like, I'll be real, it looks like a man because the body's just still torn up.
This one here probably the call for bleed out. Yeah, 4 more on. Break them 4 more. Yeah.
Investigators later visited Madison's mother in person, giving her the most devastating news a parent could receive.
Ooh, that's not a conversation that I would want to have to give to any parent.
Her mother showed them a video Madison sent several days earlier, in which she spoke about the size of the dogs, noting one of them weighed more than 100 pounds. In the video, Madison described the dog as, quote, defiant.
So I don't know why they did what they did. I bet they did it over food, and she tried to break up the fight. And they got it. No, they saw you put the one down, and they were like, oh, I don't want to.
Oh boy, that.
Yeah, because the real big one backed off. That
we
went inside.
The mean-looking one.
According to police records, the last message Madison sent was to her boyfriend at 12:16 p.m., letting him know she was on her way to check on the dogs. The couple reviewed their home security cameras, noting that at 1:13 p.m., one of the dogs can be seen inside the home with blood on his side. Addison assumed that 2 of the dogs had gotten into a fight, but the truth was far more devastating.
Oh, fuck.
Unfortunately, the home cameras did not record anything that could clarify what happened. But given the timeline, investigators assumed the attack began roughly 3 hours before the 911 call.
Sheesh.
Yeah, when I talked to the neighbor girl that actually called 911, she never heard like her calling for help or anything like that. She just heard the dogs go up there
fighting over each other. Or fighting each
Wow.
other. Yeah.
Is maybe she was attacked and she was laying there, and every time she tried to get up, they would probably guard her. They would, so she just stayed there laying there slowly.
According to police records, the sergeant received treatment at the hospital for a minor injury to his foot. As for the remaining dogs, they were later seized and euthanized. Following a joint review by a Smith County Sheriff's Office investigator and the assistant district attorney, authorities determined that the dogs' owners had not violated any criminal statutes because they did not act with criminal negligence. The case was closed. Madison's mom created a GoFundMe to cover burial expenses, raising over $19,000.
Damn.
In the fundraiser, she shared that Madison was 6 months away from earning her bachelor's degree in early childhood education.
Man, that is just such a horrible way to go out. You really never know when it's your time. And that's why you just got to live life to the fullest. No matter what's going on, no matter what you're doing, where you're not where you want to be, if you are where you want to be, you just got to live life because you just never know.
From the University of Tyler, adding that her daughter, quote, loved life with her whole heart and moved through the world with a free spirit that lifted those around her.
That's painful. That is painful.
On August.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. This one was truly heartbreaking. This was a rough one to watch. But that's it, baby. We out.